at night. Dad, can I buy a toy? Please? Please. No, we don't have money. This is so unfair. I need a toy. I said no toys. There's only from money in here. But please be quiet. No, I want a toy. That's enough. Whoa. How is this possible with this kid? That's enough. You're going home. No, I need a toy. You're bad, Dad. How dare you do that? How dare you do that, you stupid kid again? It will be happening again. That we're never gonna forget you. Okay. Hi. How can I help you? I want a toy car, please. Sure, there's only one. I need two. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye. Finally. Ooh. There's so many games. There's Slot Simulator, there's Hamster PI, there's Space D Movie, there's Banjo Champion, and there's Teddy's Space. Okay, so what next? Next. Dog and Chris. Okay, how do you need all those? Thank you. And last one. Oh, perfect. Wait a second. I wonder what it is. Where's more friends? I'm back. Let's go. Okay? See ya. Finally. That looks good. Let's go. Hey, how dare you do that with us? Help me. Why you don't want you to do that with me, short? Why you to do that with it? Happening again. He will be some of this guy. Then we have you do that in the morning. Oh my gosh, he looks like a first stupid kid. Look at this stupid kid. Oh, okay, baby, let's go home. Does it help me to do that again? But I don't know. Think so. I don't know. I need a toy. No toy. There's only two. I need that. Oh, that's it. Why? Huh? What was that? Can I get a finger, please? No. Well, come on. No. Please. I need a toy. I need pirate ship. No. You don't need a pirate. No, that's the best. I want a mine. Please. No. Don't do it. Only for toy. This is for babies. No, I don't want to go. But he wouldn't get in the scene. But I don't think so. No! Okay, son, what would you like to buy? What would you like to buy? a figure. Of course. Here's your toy. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's go home.